everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a glamorous makeup look for a special occasion. First, I'm going to apply concealer under each of my eyes in a triangular shape. It's important to even up your skin tone by covering all the dark spots and redness with a concealer. Use the green concealer for redness, the purple to neutralize yellow tones, and the yellow for hiding purple or bruises, veins, and darkness underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to use a darker concealer to contour my face. I'm using Nanacoco Hazelnut, which suits my skin tone best. Next, I'm going to blend the concealer out with my Almine Flawless Finish Blending Sponge. You can also blend your concealer out with the Almine Contour Brush. Take your powder contour kit and apply the darkest colors into your cheekbones, the temples of your forehead, and the bridge of your nose. With your Almine powder brush, apply some powder foundation under your eyes and the rest of the face to set everything.
Audio Jungle.
I will now apply my EYELUSIVE eyeshadow pencil to use as my eyeshadow primer.
Audio Jungle.
Today I will be applying product from my Nanacoco eyeshadow palette in the shade Smoky.
Audio Jungle.
Once my eye makeup is finished, I will use the Nanacoco Pro Eyeliner Duo to line my water lid and my eyeline. I will start by applying the long-lasting creamy side on my waterline. And then create a wing with the liquid side on my lid. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use the HD Extreme Mascara.
Audio Jungle.
I'm shaping my eyebrows with the Brow Styler Highlighter Duo in the shade Brown Matte Beige. The brow pencil will fill, define, and sculpt my brows, while the highlight end of the pencil will highlight under my brow bone and the inner corners of the eyes. You can also put this highlight shade on the waterline if you want to brighten your eyes even more. I'm applying blush into the apple of my cheeks with my Almine blush brush to add natural glow to my face. In this case, I'm using the shade Shimmery Dusty Rose. I'm going to apply some highlight with the EYELUSIVE pencil in the shade Royal on the upper part of the cheekbones, on the top of my upper lip, and on the bridge of the nose to add some additional glow to the face. Finally, I'm putting Lipfinity lip cream on my lips in the shade Sweet Truffle. As a final touch, I'm going to apply some Nanacoco Professional GLITZN lip gloss over my MAC lipstick. And we're finished. Here we have a glamorous look for a fun night out.
Audio